you imported the video file with the audio attached to it into Premiere Pro, but you cannot see any audio waveforms. It's very hard to edit this way because there's absolutely nothing to hold on to. You just literally have to listen to, and you don't even know where to put your playhead. I know the frustration. You landed to this video and you're gonna find a solution super quickly. So I'll make it short. However, you have to subscribe because what I'm gonna tell you is super valuable. So I want this in return. The fix is so easy, but it's also important to do this every once in a while, also when your Premiere Pro is slowing you down. What you have to do, you go to, well, depends on your Windows or Mac. On Windows, go to Edit all the way down where you see the preferences, and on Mac, you go to Premiere Pro and then Settings. And there's something called cache files. Media cache files are super important, and they are generated every time you import new footage or recordings into your Premiere Pro. These are essentially temporary files, but they don't delete themselves until you manually delete them. Many people don't do that because they don't know they have to do it. The whole reason why they are generated is when you import the footage, it's loading, right? So this is why it's all generating files. This is why you have to wait. So when you open old project, you don't have to wait anymore because everything is generated. However, your memory of a cache files is so full after a while, and especially if you're working with huge files, that your Premiere Pro is going to slow down, and when you import new footage, you don't see audio waveforms because your cache files are full. So all you have to do is super simple. You just delete your cache files. And do not worry because these files will regenerate. But if there is a project you haven't opened for like 4 months, or you don't even have to open it in the near future, even if you do, it's fine. The peaks and everything will regenerate. But the old projects, there's no reason why you have to keep those cache files. So you essentially can just delete them and don't worry about them. So you can also save your CFA and PEG files, which basically is the audio waveforms, right? So you can save those from previous projects, but you can also just delete them because they will regenerate. This is checked by default because the regeneration of the waveforms, if the video is like 2 hours long, can take a little bit of time depending on your computer, but you can delete everything else and you're gonna make space for the audio waveform. So you don't necessarily have to uncheck that. You can, it's optional, but you don't have to, and it's gonna work anyway. So you're going to click delete and then delete unused media cache files. And then click OK. You have to close Premiere Pro, restart it basically. And then you're going to see your audio waveforms. That's it, but also media cache management. Do not delete cache files automatically. Set by default, automatically delete after 90 days. You can set it to 30 days, just in case you forget, to do it manually. You can just set it up to automatically delete those cache files. And this is it for our video. And for more tutorials, subscribe. And not only that, I post a lot of different kinds of videos, but subscribe, check out my other videos on Premiere Pro and other softwares, because I talk a lot about Premiere Pro, and especially I have so many videos on my playlist and on my channel that you just have to basically go through all of them. And I have on my little list of videos, I have planned some great hacks for Premiere Pro and also ebook that I'm gonna give you for free. Once you subscribe, you're gonna know when this video gonna drop, so you can get that ebook with so many hacks for free. See you next time.